video the whole thing. Like I forgot my microphone. I forgot to turn on my microphone when I was trading today. So we're just gonna voice over it, and I'll remember for the next one. But yeah, so this was at like 1 p.m. All right. So I'm gonna play right now. I'm gonna buy. Okay, and I just want to look at this real quick. Where's my pen? All right. So this is what I want to show. So I'm gonna buy right here. Okay. How I knew this was there's a trend line here that okay, a trend line there, and when it broke that, because it went sideways, when it broke that, I decided to buy it because I saw the greens and higher, which is a sign that it's going up. So it's big green candles and stuff. Okay, so right around here, I was up around $110. So what I did was I had to let this play out for a while, but I saw these right here, and I was like, this could be a sign of a reversal. But as you can see, the whole market is in an uptrend, which I will go over when the video plays. I'll play real quick. Oh, where's the? How do I turn this off? Okay. Stop it. Go away. Alright, there we go. Alright, so what's happening is. Okay, those can just stay there, I guess. Nice. Okay. This is more difficult than it looks, alright. Alright, we're learning this together, I guess. But what I'm talking about now is not to get greedy, because I was up 110, and I see a reversal coming in up here. But, yeah, so up around that. And really, this is a lot of waiting game. So I'm on a 5-minute chart and the 1-day chart. I'm trading on a MES, so that's a future. If you go into Thinkorswim, that's what this is on. This is on Thinkorswim with Charles Schwab. And yeah, so that's what I'm on right now. And if I close selected, that means I can get out. But right now I'm going to a 1-minute chart, which is a little bit better for, it's more candles per minute. So you're kind of just seeing what's going on with the buyers and sellers and seeing who's actually winning and who's losing right now. So I'm not scared here because that has a long wick, but I'm just going to take us through what I look for when I trade. But it varies for everybody else, but this is what I look for. So I'm drawing my resistance line because it was going up, but it's starting to even out. Okay, so that's the resistance line. So if it breaks below that, I know I'm going to have to get out of it and get into a short. But if it doesn't keep going and keeps going up, I'm just going to keep holding the buy, keep holding the long, and see what happens. So, yeah. Well, yeah. Back to a 5-minute chart. The candles move a little slower, saves a little bit more time on what you want to do in this. So we're just going to go over what the wick is and what the body is. The wick is the lowest low. So that red, how low that is the lowest low. So it did break resistance there, which is a little bit scary. But for my purposes here, I'm not going to get out just yet. But I am up quite a few dollars. I'm up $111 on this one play during the day. This took a couple of hours, but it can take minutes to do. And all I did was I put in a trade and then But yeah. So I'm showing you how to find a symbol here, the MES, to make sure you get the right one. The last one. You'll be trading on. This is the mini S&P, so this models the S&P, so it trades with a lot of other things at the same time, so it's pretty volatile, and it is alright. Here's a couple other ones. The NASDAQ is really good. That moves even faster than this, but yeah, so right now this is paper money, so this is not real money. This is paper money. I'm trading on this till I get good enough to do it because I'm not going to lose money. But I rarely lose money, so because I'm a good trader. But yeah. So nothing crazy is happening right now. I'm kind of just holding it, and yeah. What else is there that I can show? Just because there's a trend down, like want like the one that like goes away after. Fade timer. Here we go. Yeah. So yeah. So you have little trends here. It's going down. Does it fade away? Perfect. Wow, that's awesome. So this is your resistance line. Okay, it's not going to be curved like that. It's going to be straight. But as you can see, the trend is an ultimate uptrend. So the whole thing is going up right now. And this is a 5-minute chart, so it moves slower. So I'm not really panicking here because that green is a good teller that I'm not losing money. So it's nice. It's nice. It looks good. I like this chart because I'm not panicking now because right here it's doing the same thing. There's a couple big reds, then it goes back up. So just because you're losing a little bit of money does not mean it's time for you to get out. You know, you don't want to be greedy, but it's also good to wait on what's going on. Yeah, it's good to wait, but you gotta just be confident in what you're in. So I'm confident in this play. That's why I'm in it, and that's why I'm not getting out. Okay. Hopefully it sounds good. This video. I'm sure people from the school are watching this, not me, not like random. So if you guys have any questions, you can ask me in school, or you can text me or whatever. I'll answer any of them. Help you guys trade. But yeah, so again, the resistance line. The only reason I bought into this was right here, at this gap right here. You can see. Okay, well, I don't really feel like coming back, but yeah. I just want to work. Am I looking at a long 1 minute chart? Okay. Sorry, this is a little bit harder to do, but I'm gonna try and edit this the best I can and make it seem like it's hype and shit, so it's not such a boring video. But it's trading. It's kind of boring sometimes, but yeah. Okay. That blue line, not this blue line. This blue line. If it goes, I don't know what I'm saying, so I can't. This blue line, if it crosses below this blue line, it's a sell, but it hasn't. So I'm still going long. I'm still going green. Look at that big green candle. It looks nice. It looks very nice. Now it hasn't closed yet, so I can't be super happy. Candles only really matter when they close. I'm not gonna lie, but it's not a super long video. It's only like a 9-minute video right now. So I really just want to trade live right now. These videos are kind of hard to do it, but yeah. So we're up around 113, which is very nice, very nice. Still waiting in. I'm not sure if I close in this video. I think I still hold, so. Oh, that's not supposed to be there. Yeah, so what this is looking at is this is before I bought in, so this was the trend. And then I saw it break above the line right here. The blue line, it's still there, it goes right there. I saw this candle go above it. I saw this candle start to go above it and buy it right there. Once I bought it, it went straight up. Very nice. Very, very nice. That's what you want to see. The market was in a downtrend. See from there. Yeah. Now I'm in a 3-minute chart. Yeah. I mean, I was down a little bit, but now I'm up $30 on the day. So 33, yeah, it's pretty nice. So how to get out of this play, if you want to, is you press close selected and it will put a buy, it will put a sell and order in for you, and you're out of the long. I forget if I do it or not. I think I do. Oh wow. So right there, buy order, and then once it crosses it, and then you're out. And that trade made me $130. So yeah, 130 some dollars. So that's how quick these things are, you know. You can make a lot more in a faster moving market. I mean, that was only 20 ticks up, but yeah, that was a pretty good first video, I think, to show you guys some stuff. But, you know, if you have any other questions, let me know. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna wrap this video up. So first video done. I'm gonna be posting it tomorrow and every day after that. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow for trading. Peace.